Okay, good morning students. Today I am present here again in a new video, and in our previous class I taught you about what? Simple future, simple past, no. How to change it in the voice, you already know about it. So today in our this class I will going to teach you what? Simple future. Okay, I know you all know the structure of simple future. What is the structure of simple future? You told me, but it is not possible that you told me I can hear you because you are in the home. No. Okay, then also you speak in your home. What is the structure of simple future tense? What is it? Okay, you say I am writing. You think that how man will write? No. You just saying and you just watch the video that I am writing there or not. Okay. Now also say. What is the structure of simple future? Subject plus shall will plus given plus object. Yes, this is the structure of what? Simple future tense. And you know we are going to change into voice form, active into passive. What we do? That subject comes there and object comes here. And you know the person who is in the middle. No. Means अगाडिको मान्छे पछाडि जान्छ, पछाडिको मान्छे अगाडि आउँछ, गएन त हो. Subject become object. Object become what? Subject. And what is in the middle is leave in the middle. No, because we have no place. Okay. Now what is the structure of this one? Changing into passive form. Object plus shall be, will be plus what? Be plus by plus subject. And you see here, object comes here or not, and subject go there. Okay, now I am giving you some example here. How to change this one? I shall call you. Yes, I subject. You see, I am taking the shall from here. Then there's the be one and its object. Now you know, according to this, I also write there. I always take shall. We also always take shall. You, he, she, it, and they. It always take only will. Even the person name only take what? Will. So you should not become confused by watching this. You can give the what? Modal verb according to subject. Now, how can I change this one? You and you know, जुन मान्छे अगाडि उसले आफ्नो अनुसारको रुल गर्छ नि त. Yes. So what take you? You take shall or will? Yes, you take what? Will. So you will what? There is be also. Then you will be. You have to make be one what? Be 3. Then you will be followed by what? I will change it to what? Me. I already write everything in our previous class. You will be called my me. This is the simple future tense. How to change it into active into passive form. Okay. Now, point goes to future continuous tense. Now, you see some problem is arising now. That what problem? Now you just watch there. First of all, what is the structure of future continuous tense? Subject plus shall, will, be plus before plus object. Now you have the question here, ma'am. In the future, in the passive form, we have already added the be. But you see, in the future continuous tense, there is already be in the active form, no? So what you added double be added? No, it's not possible, no? So when the question is coming like this one, I shall be calling you. If this type of the question is from this future continuous tense, you just close your eyes and direct right here. What? No change. What? No change, because the future continuous tense there is no passive form. Okay? Now it's turn to what? Okay, before saying this one, I have the one thing also we have to say if there is modal verb. Modal verbs, I think you all know. What are they? Can, would, no, should, may, might, must. These all verb form is form like this one. No, first one like this. For example, I am given here. You should also add their be. What? Be. Now I am providing some example. I can do this work. And how can you change this one? You know this one is the object. This one is the subject, and this is can plus be one. No. Then when changing it to passive form, you have to write this word can be. You know how like can, would, should. आफ्नो form change गर्दैन बुझ्यो नि. उनीहरु जे छ त्यो त्यही भएर डिटेल गर्छ बुझ्यो नि. त्यो स्यान्ड छ नि. उनीहरुले त गरिहाल्छन्. मतलब कतिखेर according to that object subject it take will or shall. So you have to not change their form. You should write there this work can be done by, and you know I become what? Me. It's so easy, no? Now I will give another example of this one. I may call you. I may call you. Then what we do there? Same one. You may be called by me. It is not so easy. Now let's turn give to the future perfect tense. Because we know simple future also, future continuous, no change. Now what? Future perfect. Future perfect tense. No. What is the structure of this one? Subject plus shall have, will have, plus be plus object. No. And you have to remember one thing. If perfect is come, there is be in the verb. No, in any tense. It's like simple present, simple past, or future. It's not matter. If perfect means it will have been must. Okay. Now, when you are going to change into the passive form, what you will do? Object shall have, will have, plus be plus be plus by plus subject. No. Now I am giving some example. I shall have played football. No, I shall have played football. It is the example of future perfect tense. When we are going to change into the passive form, how can we change this one? Okay, football. What? Football will have been. We have to do hard and be. Then football will have been played by. I become to me. Okay. Now another example also I am given here. She will have been eaten rice. Okay. Why only I am giving example? I only you have also question mark only either give the she also he also no. So now, how can you change this one? Rice will have Okay. After that, I hope you are understanding this one. Like also with me also understand this structure also, and what I am saying you also understand this one. Now turn goes to what? Future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous tense. Okay, what is the structure of this one? Subject plus shall have, will have, been plus before plus object. Now you see again one problem is arriving here. No, because in active form there is already been. Okay, so what you do in passive form? What we are double being? No, it's not possible. So if the question is coming like this, she will have been, she will have been called me. Okay, she will have been called me. If this type of question will come, she will have been calling me. If this type of question will come, you should have had there no change. Because in the active form there is already what? Been. So you should have there no change. Understand everyone? Today only for this much. Now I am going to give you some questions, okay? In our next video, I will give you imperative sentence and the what? Interrogative. Now you are open your copy and start to write the questions. Okay, homework. Sula drinks milk. Nama Kavita is playing the flute. Nama they are singing a song. Then Purnama, the dog chased the cat. 5 number, Mr. Pan tells us English. I will teach Nepali. 7 number, she may come here. She may call you, can write there. 8 number, I had given this book. 9 number, I called you. 10 number, we will have completed our assignment okay, one time saying you the another is also there. Sula brings milk, you have to in the passive form. Kavita is playing the flute. They are singing a song. The dog chased the cat. Mr. Pond taught us English. I will teach Nepali. She may call you. I had given this book. I call you. We have completed our assignment. Okay. After this, I provide you again 10 words. Shuffle, drew a picture. The gardener trimmed the plants in the garden. She has given a story book. Code number student must work hard. 5 number the trainer enlightened us with his vast ocean of knowledge. My father calls me. They will publish this music. I shall be eating rice. 9 number he solved this problem. Then 10 number the workers will finish it soon. Okay. Now on and then I'm given here. They are helping me. She invited him. Okay, today only for this class, one time I am repeating this one. So far, drew a picture. The garden took the plants. The garden, I hope you are doing this one, everyone. In our next video, I will talk to you about imperative sentence, how to change into voice form, and interrogative sentence. Till then, bye bye.